Hey there, Tom. What's up?
Nothing much. As you can see, I am heading out to go enjoy a beer. What's up with you dressed like you're going trick-or-treating in the middle of summer?
Haha, well, I was practicing for this year. Want to do that together?
No thanks, I don't have time to clown around.
Oh, I almost forgot why I approached you. I wanted to ask you what I can do fix my washing machine, because it makes some really loud sounds that honestly make me very angry.
Well, temper is the one thing you cannot get rid of by losing it. I can tell you that from experience.
Haha, sounds good. But can you help me out, to pinpoint the actual problem?
First of all, it might have something to do with your drum. If it has come off its fixings, then it will get unbalanced and knock about.
How much would that repair cost me, if I have this problem?
It will skim your wallet for $40 or so. You should be good to go.
Not too bad. Anything else?
You could also be having load issues, if you have bulky or heavy items up for washing. Other than that, sneakers, clothing with buttons, and zippers may also be the culprit.
Do you think there's something more I should know about this?
Let me see. Oh yeah, you should also make sure that your machine is level, side to side and front to back, because if it's not, then you'll have problems with it causing noises for sure. If you want, my advice is that you install cushions on the feet, because these will do wonders in absorbing shock and reducing the noise.
Wow, thank you very much for these tips. I'll surely keep them in mind. Meet you next week at my place. My wife's cooking turkey.
Really? Not rabbit stew?
Good one.